In today's video, we're going to be testing and comparing these LED fog lights for 4th gen Ram. Let's get into it. All right, welcome back to today's video, you guys. So we're gonna be testing these LED fog lights. I will link these down in the description below. Just took them out of the box. They're brand new. And these are a direct replacement for a 4th gen Ram 1500. So if your truck is from 2013 to, I don't know, they keep going with these Ram Classics, but if you have a Ram Classic and you have the vertical fog lights, these will work for your truck. So right now, I'm just waiting for it to get dark out because I want to do a true and accurate comparison for you guys. No BS, that's what we do on this channel. So I have the OEM fog lights in there, just whatever bulbs they come with, just standard halogen bulbs in there. So we're gonna go out, I'll show you guys what it looks like once it gets a little bit darker out. We'll swap one so that you can see the difference between side to side, and then we'll do the complete swap. They're only held in by 3 bolts, so it's pretty easy to swap them. 3 10mm bolts is all that holds this in. It comes with the bulbs already ready to go. So these are a plug and play. You guys don't need to get different bulbs for them, and they just plug in. It does come with this pigtail in case for some reason your truck doesn't have wiring for fog lights. They give you this pigtail, but you're not gonna need it. You're just gonna unplug this part like that, and you're gonna plug this straight in your truck, and we'll be good to go. Also has adjustability on it, same as the factory one. I've used these on my last truck, and I really liked the outcome of them. So we'll wait till it gets a tiny bit darker, and then we'll go out, show you guys what those fog looks like. Swap out one, do the fair comparison, and then put them both in, and I'll let you guys be the judge. Okay, so here we go, guys. It is dark outside. We'll pull the truck out to the street, and you guys can see what the stock fog lights look like for our comparison. All right, guys, so here they are, stock fog lights. Not terrible, but we can do better. So let's give you guys a quick walk around. Not aimed terrible. You can see the driver's side a little bit lower, the way it should be. Kind of see the beam pattern there. This one is a little bit closer to the ground there, so that you're not blinding oncoming traffic. And that's what it looks like. So let's go ahead, we'll swap one and we'll compare. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead, we'll swap the passenger one, and I'll show you guys a couple things on doing this. So it really is pretty simple. I don't have the fender liners in currently because we're doing some other stuff, but you can still access this with the fender liners in. You'll probably just have to come up through the bottom, but you're gonna see a 10mm bolt there, another one there, and then the other one is right here. So you have 3 10mm bolts. You're gonna unplug your wire, so just like that. And you'll take the speed clip off of here, this little Christmas tree clip, because you're gonna attach it to your new fog light assembly, and we'll just zip off these 3 bolts. Once the 3 bolts are removed, your fog light is just gonna come out. Kind of have to turn it a little bit, and there we go, she's out. And then installing your new fog light, you're gonna come up through here. You kind of have to do the same little tucking routine, and then you will see there's like these little guides here. I should probably show you guys that. You'll see these little guide pegs right here. Same on the factory ones. They kind of just help to guide it into that plastic that holds it so that you can get your bolts lined up. So just feel around for them, get them in place, and then put in your 3 10mm bolts. Once your 3 bolts are in, you can go ahead and pop your wire harness back in, and we'll clip in this clip. So personal preference, but I like to take the plastic off afterwards, and there we go, she's in. Okay, so we got that fog light out. The new one is in, looking good. Let's go out to the street, see what we got. Okay guys, so here we are out here with the fog lights. You can see this one and that one. So you can adjust it depending on where you want to put it. Some might say it's adjusted a little further out, so all we gotta do is just reach our hand in behind here, grab that little knob, and so you can see we can bring it in like that. so we can bring it in closer to the ground and check out the difference, you guys. Like, not even a comparison. Like, yeah, not much to even talk about here, but comment down below what you guys think. Like I said, you can adjust them any which way you want, but check that out. LED stock. Huge difference. You can definitely see, even this one here, like, even though it's projecting right there, it's like not even a comparison whatsoever. And the appearance is greatly improved too. LED versus the HID, you can see this one looks a lot more crisp, much nicer color than this yellow one. So let's go ahead and swap the other one out. Alright guys, so we're here on the driver's side, same thing. You're gonna lift up on your tab, wiggle out your connector, take this off, the little Christmas tree thing off of there, and then you're ready to remove your 3 bolts. And remove your fog light assembly like that. Grab your new one, plug in our light, and we're done. So here we are up top. She's all in there. Let's go to the street. We can go ahead, we'll turn them on, compare, adjust them, do all that good stuff. All right guys, so here's with both fog lights in. You guys can see definitely a huge improvement. And then looking at it from the front, definitely looks a lot better, even just style points. But as far as functionality goes, like, check that out, you guys. You can adjust them up, down. You can see my driver's side's a little bit lower than the passenger, which is what you want, so you're not blinding oncoming drivers. But this makes it a lot better to be able to see, and I think they look 100 times better than the factory stock halogens. But let me know what you guys think down below. I think the results speak for themselves. I don't think I have to convince you guys too much on these, but I really like them. I think they do a lot for the truck. Okay guys, and again with a little bit more ambient lighting, these things look awesome. So it's almost impossible to catch it in the camera what it actually looks like, but with the naked eye, I don't even think it'll look, but they look crazy. Real good. I think it's a really good visual improvement, and like I said, you can see a lot better on the road. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below. All right guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I'll link those down in the description below where you guys can check them out. They're pretty affordable, and like I said, I think they look pretty good, but let me know what you guys think. As always, in the comments below, I like to give you guys honest reviews and opinions on stuff, and let you guys be the judge, just kind of show you the facts, and see what the outcome is on some of these different parts and different things that we can do with these trucks. So if you guys enjoyed this, check out the other videos on the channel. We have a lot of cool stuff as well for Rams, Dakotas, Hellcats, you name it, all kinds of stuff on this channel. So we'll see you guys on the next video.